Another example of what we have been using here in our company is Melissa. When people call SharedMate and one of our team members can't answer the phone for any reason, if you're in a meeting or something like that, then what's going to happen is Melissa is going to answer the call and she's going to say, hey, look, everyone is away at the moment, but I'm Melissa. I'm an AI agent here from SharedMate, and I can help you out with many questions. How can I help you? And generally speaking, people say, hey, look, I'm interested in your system. My name is John. I am from company X. And then Melissa would start asking questions. And these questions, I designed it on purpose to actually understand better the situation of that person, which is already pre-qualifying those leads. So think about it. The person is talking to an AI agent, and when I open my system, this is what I receive. I receive all of those answers already, and I can look at this and say, yes, this guy would qualify for our system. I already have some knowledge about them. I know their company. I know what they do. I know how many shares they're doing. I know, their priority. And obviously, I kept here just some additional information that was more sensitive, but that will have their phone number here, their email address, everything. So all I have to do is, okay, let me call them back now, knowing everything that they need. So think about the impact of this. I was doing this before. Someone would call the office. I'm here. I'm answering the phone. Now, I let Melissa do it, and I can focus on other things. So this already saved me a lot of time in the business. This saved me a lot of time as well, optimizing the quotes that I'm doing. And this saves me a lot of time creating content, creating information. Okay? I hope it's making sense so far. And then it comes like these two things. Oh, this is amazing. So this is CloudBot. So different from the other two, this is an AI that I built on my own system. Actually, I'm going to open here my Growth Command Center. So CloudBot is a system that's working 24/7, and it's proactive, which is crazy. I have different uses of it. I have set up this CloudBot as a business mentor. So it actually sends me messages like during the morning or in the afternoon saying, hey, how are you tracking today? You had these three priorities here. And then you also have done some of these things, but did you get those three priorities done? So it's holding me accountable for the things I need to do. And in the morning, ask me, hey, what's the priority for today? And then if I say something very different from my main goals, it's going to probably push me back saying, hey, Arthur. And that was very funny when it did the first time. I was like, wow, this is crazy, but I like it. It was like, what are your priorities for today? And I told something like, okay, I'm going to develop this new thing that I wanted to do. And then it pushed me back saying, hey, I understand you want to do that, and I can help you with that if you want, but don't you think you are going away from your main target? Because you told me before that your goal was this, but if you do that, you're going to spend a lot of time on something that's not moving the needle and not creating a lot of return on investment for you. Are you sure you want to go in that route? And then I was like, look at that. The AI is actually pushing me back for the goals I actually asked it to actually push me back. So I really like that. But I was a little bit like, this is crazy, isn't it? But it's working, and I'm really liking it, to be honest.